Butter rice. In English is called butter rice. I learned about this really simple dish from a Japanese TV series Midnight Diner, Season 1, Episode 5. The dish is so simple that I couldn't resist giving it a try. And the ingredients are just rice, butter, and soy sauce. So the main thing is, of course, cook your rice. I usually rinse the rice 3 times, and tonight I made 3 cups of rice because we're having curry after. And after the rice is fully cooked, just mix it up real good. And fill up a small bowl. And after that, just cut a small chunk of butter. And simply just leave it on top of the rice and let it sit there for about 30 seconds. Then drop a few drips of soy sauce. And after you mix it up real good, it's ready to be served. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.